going to be an appreciation video with this platform, guys. I'm not giving up on this car yet. And today we're just gonna have a chill talk. I just got done with a nice hike with a friend, so we're gonna head back. Let's get right into it. No, I have not got an alignment yet. It is what it is, guys. I haven't been driving this car much, so I've been focused on, you know, work. I was vacationing for a while. Just all in all, guys, I was going through some stuff, honestly. You know, little reset I took, and I think everybody's going through things right now, and that's completely cool. It's just how you manage to cope with that stuff. So, you know, I missed the K24, but dude, I love this car as it is, guys. Dude, you gotta appreciate these cars for what they are. And this thing right now for me in my life is super fun. I don't need crazy power. I don't need crazy numbers to, you know, define my happiness. That STI is clean, dude. I feel like when I don't drive this car, when I get in it, I appreciate every moment of it because it feels new again to me, basically. I made a promise. I will always love this car. I will always love these platforms no matter what. And I don't have any intent on selling this car. As of now, I don't have any intent on selling this car. This car, I've met so many awesome, like-minded individuals. Just wanted to touch base on last video, guys, that auction 2006 SI with 47K miles. That thing was so pristine, guys. And seeing that auction and that original car really made me appreciate mine more. Just knowing that I own one of these things, and a bunch of you guys in the comments, like some of you guys have 3 of these cars, and I could sense the appreciation in this community, which is so cool, guys. People actually value these cars aside from the fact that it's technically a Civic. You know, people still love these cars, but absolute masterpiece of a platform, guys. Never get old to drive. It doesn't matter if there's new cars coming out with 300 plus horsepower, whatever. This thing still feels like a freaking joy. It's an agile little beast is what I call it. Drop a gear and disappear. It might take a little while, but you'll disappear eventually, you know? I want to keep mine almost, you know, simplistic. I want to keep it as close to stock as possible, aside from the things that I do have done, which are the clutch, the wheels, coils, tune, cold air, nothing crazy, because this is my second 8th gen. I bought my first one back in 2016, but it's been a love since I hopped in one of these cars since day one. I knew that this was the car that I want, Aside from an STI, an 05 STI, this is the car that I knew I was gonna own, and I manifested. Just for the thrill and enjoyability driving it. The number one thing I love about this platform is the fact that it doesn't take a whole lot to have a good time. It doesn't take a whole lot to have a good time in these cars, guys. Very simple to mod, guys. Intake, good suspension, and a tune, and you can literally have a super fun daily driver that does not require a lot of maintenance. That's the easiest way I could put it as. I've learned to appreciate everything that this car offers me, guys, whether it be the transmission, the interior, the seats, like the modifications, the engine, everything literally fits my criteria. The only thing that's a little bit, you know, that I would prefer more is a little more room in here, but that's okay because I'm not taking this car out every day. Yeah, seeing that last video in the auction, that thing selling for what it was, like, that was super, like, motivating to be like, to keep this thing closest to stock form, which has always been kind of my goal, you know, with the SI. Even though I did buy the turbo kit, I've always loved the way they perform stock. Car will never get old to me, guys, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate. Always appreciate all you guys stopping in and supporting. Drop some likes, give me some love below. Leave a comment down below, like, why you appreciate your car. It could be anything, guys. I'm just going through some comments on the last video, and I'm just going down the list here. Aiden says, my son just bought an 06 SI with 65K miles for $4,300. Dude, that is a sick pickup, guys. I literally paid $4,200 for my last car with 120K on it, rebuilt title. The last funnest car. I agree 100% with that, guys. I drove a 9th gen. The 9th gens are fun, but they're more for, like, you know, interior comfort. I feel like the K24 still gets down and boogies, but you can't match the raw power. I think when people say this is the last SI, the last best car, is they're in terms of like high revving Honda engines wise. That's what they're referring to. Definitely worth it. Sam Flores, 100%, dude. I agree. B Merce was following the same auction but never bid. Have fun taking care of this rare brewery. Yeah, I agree, dude. Like, the guy, I'm sure the guy is like loving that thing. He better be keeping that in the garage too, dude. Jose Rivera, shout out. Wow, what a real gem. Agreed. After getting my first one in 07 FG2, I will never go to another make and model. I am currently looking to purchase 3 more in my city when my lawsuit finishes this week. Dude, that's sick. If you do find one and you're willing to let it go, if it's a FA5, please let me know. Dumb price. I have 3 of them and I can't seem to sell any of them. Too scared someone will clap it back out again. Gerb, I started modifying my car from your videos like 8 years ago, man. Thank you for being a real one. Dude, thank you for being with me for 8 years, dude. You're really making me feel old right now. It's crazy. I've been on this YouTube grind for like probably 10 years now. It's unbelievable. I was asking how much I can get for this car if I sold it. He goes, since it's an FG2, I'd say 11K on the high end. 7K if you want to sell it quickly. If it was a FA5, then add 15 to 200K, 2K on top of FG2 prices. I agree. I think the FA5s are more sought after, but the FG2s, since they don't make coupes anymore, I think these will also appreciate in value over the long term. Shout out that kid RBM. Death sold fair price, but I would never buy a coupe. Sedan for the win. We know, dude, you're the sedan man over there. So I'll definitely see you guys soon. Thank you all for stopping in and for being real ones, guys. Peace out.